Hi, I'm Brett. I'm going to be your personal trainer today. We're going to go into our Kettlebell Deadlift now. So we want our feet about shoulder width apart. The bell is going to be coming down so that it's towards the back of your heels. And to start, we just want to make sure to chop our hips here. So when I say chop our hips, we just want to make sure our hips are going back, our butt's going back, and we're keeping a nice neutral spine. So make sure to keep that chin tucked as well. Come down at the top. You're going to contract the glutes like so. Those of you with more mobility in your hamstrings, you can get that bell even closer to the floor as long as you can maintain a nice neutral spine. You don't want to be rounding here. 5 more seconds. All right, great job. We're gonna go into our kettlebell half Turkish getup. We want our opposite hand that the kettlebell is in and our opposite leg to be at 45-degree angle from our body. Our right leg here is flush against the floor. We're gonna be pushing off with that. Kettlebell above head with the shoulder nice and packed in here. So as we roll up, we're gonna press through the big toe and the heel on the plant foot side, right up onto our forearm. We're gonna hold here for 1, 2, looking at the kettlebell, and then roll back down. Nice and controlled. Five seconds left. Last one. Great. We're going to switch to the other side now. Same thing. We're just going to bend our left knee, the kettlebell in the left hand. Right arm, right leg are out at a 45-degree angle. Press the bell overhead. Here we go. Almost there. 5 seconds, last one. Excellent work. We're gonna go into our Kettlebell Halos now. So let's make sure that our knees and our feet are at 90-degree angles here. The kettlebell is going to be handle up. We're gonna make sure to keep our elbows in tight as opposed to flaring out. We're gonna go away from the plant leg to start. Here we go. Make sure we're keeping our midsection nice and tight. Five seconds left. Excellent. Let's just switch to the other side now. So same thing. This time our right foot is forward, left leg is back. We're going to the left to start. Doing great. Keep up the good work. Five more seconds. And we're home. Excellent job. We're gonna get started with a kettlebell squat press. Kettlebell should be about 6 inches in front of you. We're gonna pick it up and put it in what's known as the rack position here. Your arm is extended. Weight is gonna be back in the heels. Chest is up as we go down. As we come up, we're gonna use the momentum to press overhead. Again, knees should be tracking over the toes. Left arm is out for counterbalance. 5 seconds left. All right, we're gonna switch to the other side now. Same thing, bell in rack position. Right arm out for counterbalance. Here we go. Let's make sure the knees are tracking over the toes. Standing up nice and tall at the top. Five seconds left. All right, excellent work. We're gonna get started with our kettlebell swings. So we want the kettlebell about 6 inches to a foot in front of us. And as we pick it up and get our hips back similar to a deadlift, we wanna make sure that our back is flat, our chin is tucked, and we're using the momentum of the bell for the swing. Here we go. There should be very little work being done with the arms here. All of this is coming from that hip drive, glute clench at the top. Make sure to press into the floor with your heels and your big toe. 5 seconds. Excellent work. For a complete workout, replay this video twice and then check out the next workout.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.